Components of ScratchJr window. Let us now learn about the components of ScratchJr window. Save, plus button, change background, stage, reset character, green flag, character, block categories, blocks palette, programming area. Stage. It is the main working area where characters move and perform actions. Change background. It is used to select a background for the stage. Green flag. It is used to run a Scratch project. Blocks palette. It displays different type of blocks based on their function and use. Character. It is an actor which acts on the stage.
Reset character button. It resets all the characters and bring them back to their starting position on the stage.
Save button. It is used to save the project and return to the home page. Plus button. It is used to add characters. Block categories. This is the menu of programming blocks, which includes triggering blocks, yellow, motion, blue, looks, purple, sounds, green, control, orange, and blocks, red. Programming area. This is where you connect programming blocks to create scripts.